Hey gang, it's Kim here from Your Chic Geek, and I want to welcome you to a brand spanking new video. Hope you guys are doing well. I know that the 4th of July is tomorrow. I know that a lot of you guys are going to be celebrating, eating your BBQ and all that things, and drinking your special beverages, if you know what I mean. But what I wanted to do really quickly is just share some information with you guys that about a free workshop that I'm going to be hosting next week. That is going to be called the Q4 Profit Plan Workshop. So I am really trying to get an early start this year on planning for Q4. And so what I wanted to do is just help you guys as well, and we're going to just talk about how to prep, publish, and profit during the biggest book buying season of the year, which is Q4. Now, before we dive off into this video, I'd love for you guys to like, share, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. And let's just talk about this really quickly. So Q4, for those of you that are not familiar with it, it is the last quarter of the year, which consists of the months of October, November, and December. This is where a lot of self-publishers, low, medium content book, high content book rather, publishers alike make the majority of their money. And this is where, you really can stand the chance to do well if you position things correctly and you really get a jump on things. So for me, just a little bit of a backstory. Last Q4 2024, I made around 36K. I think I looked at it, and in December alone, I made 25K, which was insane. Very blessed. I couldn't believe it. I didn't know what was going to happen, but it was just a really, really great Q4 for me. So again, like I said, this year my goal is to really get a running start on things, to really get a jump on things, and I'm going to do. I'm already starting, but what I'm wanting to do is to help you guys plan things out with this workshop. So let's talk about what is going to be covered in this workshop. So really quickly, we're going to be covering things about like different book ideas that you can sell during Q4, things that sell well. I'm going to give you guys some ideas for that. We're going to talk about a good timeline for publishing in time for the holidays and how you can set yourself up for success with that. Some tweaks that you can make to your existing books to help them hopefully get discovered a little bit better and, to present well and etc. Why most authors leave money on the table and how you can avoid this. And then my exact strategy on what I use to simplify Q4 planning and sell more books without burnout. And I really wanted to mention the whole burnout thing because it is a thing. And the whole goal of preparing and getting prepared for Q4 early is so that you don't burn out and so that you're not running around like a headless chicken trying to figure out, what do I need to do? So again, I know that it's early, but it's going to be here before you know it. As a matter of fact, we're already in July, so it will be here before you know it. So the best time to get prepared is now. So for those of you that are interested in attending, there is going to be a link below this video where you can opt in to attend. This is a free workshop, so all are welcomed, okay? But what I wanted to do before we leave this video is to give you guys really quickly some tips and some things that you can take away that you can use, in preparation for Q4, and just some things you can do to start prepping right now. So number one is going to be picking books that sell well in Q4. This is was a game changer for me last year. So these are things that can include things like coloring books. Coloring books do really, really well in Q4. Giftable books. This is definitely clutch, especially in Q4 because people are looking for gifts. So giftable books and holiday themed puzzle books. Okay. I'm going to be sharing more of these types of books that sell well in Q4 for this training, but these are definitely some that you can consider and start thinking about right now in advance of the training if you're planning to attend and even if you're not. Number two is setting a publishing deadline. So this is something that you definitely want to do. Again, you don't want to wait to the last minute to start scrambling around, trying to figure out, what you're going to do. So you want to have a hard deadline in place. Like everything that you can get done needs to be done by this date. So that is key, right? So again, so you're not scrambling around at the last minute. And then number three is optimizing your listings for buyers and also for higher conversions. So this could be things like, adding A+ content if you haven't already already to your listings. A plus content, it is a free resource that you can use within KDP, and it's something that I have added to the majority of my books. I'm currently going through and updating some of my A plus content for books right now, but it is a really great feature that you can use that can help you boost conversions. And a lot of times when I'm doing coaching and so on and so forth, this is one of the things that a lot of people are missing. And so we're going to talk about that more in the workshop, and just some of the things you can do to optimize and to also increase, or not increase, but to improve your A plus content under your listings, and so on and so forth. So I'd love for you guys to join me in the Q4 Profit Plan Workshop. If you know anyone that is struggling right now with selling low and medium content books, or even anyone that is interested and wants to learn more about Q4, what it is, and just what you could potentially make, you can tell them about this workshop as well. Again, it is free. Link is going to be below, and I hope to see you guys there. All right. Take care and enjoy your holidays.